You may have heard the Christmas carol, Here We Come a Wassailing, and wondered, what is wassail? Let's find out. Depending upon the time, occasion, and situation, wassail has had several different but related meanings. Originally, wassail was an Old English salutation made to toast to someone's health. It was probably borrowed from an earlier Norse phrase, Wassail, which was used as a form of greeting or recognition, such as be in good health or be fortunate. However, the term wassail would evolve to encompass not only a salutation, but an added beverage as well. During pre-Christian times in southeastern England, farmers would meet in their orchards and share a communal bowl of cider. They would also pour cider on the apple trees while shouting to scare away evil spirits in the hope that the next season's crop would be bountiful. In other words, the farmers would wassail the trees. Over time, the ceremony would also involve singing, dancing, and bonfires. By the Middle Ages, wassailing had become associated with Christmas. In some regions of Britain, groups of the poor would visit the homes of the wealthy during the holiday, where the owners would allow them to sip from a communal bowl of spiced wine, or the poor would bring their own bowls and ask that they be filled. Unfortunately, on some occasions, the crowds would become intoxicated and rowdy, leading wassailing to become associated with drunken carousing. By the 19th century, wassailing would evolve into its final, milder form. During this time period, many Christmas traditions that we recognize today, such as Christmas trees and Christmas cards, were just starting to gain popularity. By the 1830s, music publishers were starting to release books filled with Christmas songs, many of which were about wassailing. So wassailing, the act of enjoying the holiday through revelry, had become the subject of Christmas carols. And caroling, the act of singing about the holiday, could be seen as an act of wassailing itself. So eat, drink, and be merry. For more information, please visit sunup.okstate.edu or food.okstate.edu. Happy holidays.